from Charge Motor Medics. I've got a Ford Fiesta here on a 2010-2011 plate. I'm just going to show you how to sort of replace the position lamp on the front. Now that one there is working. This one isn't. All you need is either a Torx or a flat screwdriver, as you can see right there. I've got a little one right here. So undo this one on this little screw here. Usually this would have little grommets here as well, like this one. But as you can see, that one there is sticking out halfway. There's one missing here, one missing here, one missing here. This is just to pull this back a little bit. Now, this one here, doing a H7 bulb on this one, for instance, the main dip one, you wouldn't be able to do this, so you definitely would have to remove the whole headlight. But if you wanted to do a H7 bulb on that main dip bulb, now this one is quite an easy one. You can get to, I think I've already got a video on how to do it. Now, to do it, it is a simple procedure. I'm just going to switch the lights off, make sure I'm all safe. The bulb you need, it is a 501 bulb, which you can find in the description, the link for it, where to get it from as well. And to undo it, what I need to do first is, I've got a plug right here. So I need to undo the plug first. So if I slot a screwdriver in there, and then push this little clip back. 1 second. And then pull the bulb back at the same time. There we go, that's done. I then undo this. Today I am on my own, so please do forgive me if I get it wrong or anything, you know. Take one screw out, put it on the side, and then the second one, do the same. I was trying to do a bulb by hand earlier. You can see with my glove and everything as well. It's not good. Anyways, so take the second one out. And then all you got to remember is this ain't just going to come out. So what you need to do is you need to lift this up a little bit. Or put a flat screwdriver in between the gap right there. And then lift it up. Once you lifted that up, then gently wiggle. So I'm going to use my right hand now. Still not coming out, so I need to lift it up even more. There we go. I got it out. So you can see that little lock there gets stuck in here. So you just got to lift it up. Once you've done that, all you do, then bring the whole headlight out. So that's right there in front of you. The bulb we need to replace it is a 501 bulb, which is a position lamp. And I don't know if you remember, it was in the second lens right there. In that one there. That little bulb. So what I do now, got to be careful, I don't want to scratch it. So if I twist that to my left, take it out. And then on the inside, that's the plug I need to remove. So squeeze my finger in and then pull the whole thing out. If they can get a bit tight, so spray a bit of lubricant in there and then wiggle, pull the whole thing out. Got the new bulb. Just remember the new bulb is a 501 capless bulb, and there's only one way the bulb would go as well. So I hate it when I'm doing this on my own. There we go, that's in. I then slot the bulb through the hole. I really don't want to see the hole, do you? So can I just deal with it myself? I can look at it. Yep, that's brilliant. That's clipped in. And I then put the cover back on, twist that to my left. Once that's done, lift the headlight. Now as you can see this bit there, that slots in there. So what I now need to do is slot the headlight in first from here. And then hold it from the middle here. Here we go. I just have to line this up now. And then line this bit here as well. So the headlight needs to go in. Once that's in, and that's in as well. So I plug it in. Make sure the plug is in nicely, so that's not coming out anymore. And now switch the lights on. Here we go, that's all working now. So that's all you had to do on this particular model. Now don't forget to put these little screws on. I will put it on, but I've taken enough of your time as well. So yeah, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and goodbye.